Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Activity Monitor now. Open it from Utilities or press Command Space and type Activity Monitor. First, pick the tab you need, CPU or memory, for example, because each tab shows a different story. Once done, enable relevant columns like %CPU, memory, MB, and energy impact so you can compare processes at a glance. Make sure to sort by the highest value to prioritize issues. This first setup gets you readable data, immediately useful for diagnosing slowdowns or battery drains. Now you interpret the numbers. Start with CPU. A process with sustained high %CPU and many threads is likely the culprit. Once you identify a suspect, note its PID and check threads if needed. For memory, read memory pressure, compressed, and swap used in MB to decide if RAM is exhausted versus a single app leak. Then move to Energy, Disk, and Network tabs. Energy impact shows battery cost, Disk shows read/write spikes, and Network reveals unusually high packets or bytes. Finally, take action. If an app is hung, select it and choose Force Quit. If behavior is intermittent, use Sample Process to capture a stack trace for later analysis. Once done, try quitting or updating the app and reboot if system-level metrics like memory pressure stay high. Make sure to check open files and ports for resource leaks. If issues continue, collect logs, note PIDs and the time range, and contact support with that data. It speeds diagnosis and helps pinpoint drivers, extensions, or misbehaving apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.